Hi, I'm Bill Klassen. I'm here at Scarbourtown Chrysler on March 18th, 2024, and I'm going to go over these Ram trucks that we have in stock here right now, and hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you. The first is the 2019 black Ram truck, stock number 39668A. This was a trade-in. Looks like a Sport, but I believe it's actually a Rebel package. Really nice. Low kilometers, has running boards, looks very nicely equipped. And this is a 2021 Classic Edition, also with a hard tonneau cover, running boards. This is stock number 26791. Here we have a 2021 Blue Ram 26794, and it's also a quad cab. We have a 2021 Classic Edition 6-cylinder quad cab 26793. We have a 2018 Laramie with a Hemi engine 39689A. We have a 2021 very vibrant blue 26808 quad cab, 2021 Classic Edition 6-cylinder 26798, and we have this 2021 Warlock Edition 26799. And we have another 2021 Ram Hemi, stock number 26807. And we have a 2022 Hemi Edition Ram Classic Crew Cab. And a 2019 Hemi Black Crew Cab. Very nice. So if one of these Ram trucks appeals to you, please contact the dealership, contact me directly. Ask for Bill Klassen, and I'm happy to give you details and set up a time for you to come take one for a test drive.